Hello everyone, myself Chandana Amman. I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in Computer Science Department and my USN is 1VE20CS028. Today I'm speaking about system software and compilers. And main topic is recursive algorithm. Today I'll be briefly explaining about recursive algorithm in this video. First is phrasing to process to determine whether the start symbol can derive the program or not. If the phrase is successful, then the program is valid, otherwise, the program is invalid. There are two types in the recursive algorithm, that is top down phrase and top up phrase. First is top down phrase. In this algorithm, we expand the start symbol to the whole program, where we use recursive descent LL phrases at the top as a top down phrases. Next is top up process, where in this phrase we reduce the whole program to the start symbol. Here we have precedency phrases, LR phrase and SLR phrase and LALR phrase and CLR phrase as the bottom up phrase. Recursive descent phrase. Here it is a kind of top down phrase where top down phrases are built the phrase tree from the top to the down, starting with a non-terminal. A predictive phrase is a special case of recursive descent phase where there is no backtracking is required. By carefully writing the grammar means eliminating left recursion and left factoring from it. The resulting grammar will be the grammar that can be phrased by the recursive descent phrase. Here is the left recursive removing of left recursion. This is before removing the left recursion, and this is the after removing the left recursion, and this is the final output of the left recursion after removing. And here is a program where these are the header files where we will define success as 1 and failed as 1. Here we are taking four variables, that is E dash, T and T dash and F. Five variables we are considering, and here we have a constant character as a cursor, and we are using a string of 64 bits. First is we have to enter the value where the value will be inputted by the keyboard, and with the help of this algorithm, the string will be calculated, where the cursor will be equal to the string where the input action will be taken. And if the string is successful, if the string is successfully matching the if statement, this if statement, then the string is successfully phrased. Else there is a error in the phrasing of the string. It will return as 1. On the success, it will return as 0. First, considering the first variable, that is E, where this is the printf statement of the E of the cursor, where if this condition is true, then it returns success. If this condition is false, it will return as false statement. Then we again, next considering of next variable, we have the cursor will be equal to the addition, where if this this is a printf statement, it increases the value of the cursor. uh, it increases the value of the cursor. Next is the next if e dash is equal, if t condition is equal to the printf statement, this printf statement, it will return as success, else returns as a failed value. Next is the t value. Next variable is a t, where this is the printf statement of the t value, and here is the condition. If this condition is true, then it will return as success, else it will return as failed value. Next is a t dash value, where if it cursor will be equal to the multiplication, and this is the printf statement, and cursor in after the printing the statement, the cursor will be incremented, where it will be equal to the next variable, that is f variable. If the t dash is if t dash is equals to the printf statement, then it will return as, if it is equal to this condition, then it will return as success, else it will return as it will return as failed. Again we have the else if statement, where if this condition is true, then it will return as success, else it will return as false, failed value. Next we have is next variable is, that is f variable, where this will be equal to the open bracket. This is a condition for the f variable, and after printing the statement, the cursor will be incremented, and it will be equal to the e variable, where if this condition is true, after incrementing the value, it will return as success, else it will return as failed value. Again there is one more else if statement in the same condition. If cursor is equals to I, then the cursor will be incremented. This is all about the recursive algorithm. We have studied the top down phrase and bottom up phrase in this algorithm, and we have studied about removing the left recursion and right recursion algorithm. This is the algorithm, and in furthermore videos we will learn more about system software and its compilers. Thank you.